Okay, this video is for anybody who needs help logging into Edpuzzle to get to our videos. First, you need to go to Canvas. So I scroll down, and then we need to find Intro to Computers and Coding. And then here it says Edpuzzle's instructions. You need to add yourself to Edpuzzle. And here is an invitation. So it says click this link. Now, it should prompt you to sign in, so you want to sign with Google. And even if you already have an Edpuzzle account, it should still ask you to sign in. Okay, so you're going to want to sign in with your school account, okay, and your password, and it should give you the option. So I'm going to choose this one, as this is going to be my student dummy account. Okay, so once you do that, this will pop up. Okay, applied tech. Here's our class code, and then we hit join class. Okay, and it should take you to our class. All right, right now nothing's in there, but when you do this, you should probably have about 6 videos or so that pop up. Okay, and that's how you get into Edpuzzle.